Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dance knee pads that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Sujeyu knee pads for women. These are the budget-friendly option on the list, priced at just $6.99, but don't let the low cost fool you. These knee pads feature thick EVA padding for shock absorption and anti-collision, making them effective for reducing stress on your knees during activities like dance, volleyball, or even everyday work tasks. The design is ergonomic, tailored to fit the human knee joint structure. The breathable, fast-drying fabric and elastic cuffs ensure comfort and prevent slipping during use. However, the build quality reflects the price point. While it offers decent protection, the padding is thinner compared to higher-end options, which might not hold up as well for intense or prolonged use. Still, for occasional use or low-impact activities, these knee pads are a solid choice. Pros include affordability, lightweight design, and suitability for various sports. However, the cons are limited durability and slightly lower padding quality. These knee pads are ideal for those on a tight budget who need basic knee protection for light activities. At number 4, the YICYC Volleyball knee pads offer a step up in protection and comfort while still being affordable at $9.99. These knee pads feature thickened foam sponge padding that provides excellent shock absorption and anti-collision properties. The material is soft, elastic, and breathable, ensuring your knees stay comfortable during extended wear. The ergonomic design ensures a snug fit that won't slide or roll during intense activities, making these knee pads suitable for everything from dance to cycling. The stitching is durable, which adds to the product's lifespan. While the padding is sufficient for medium-impact activities, it might not provide enough support for sports involving frequent falls or hard impacts. The pros include better quality padding compared to budget options, excellent breathability, and a wide range of colors. However, the cons are that it's not as specialized as higher-end products, and the sponge padding may compress over time. These knee pads are great for dancers and athletes seeking affordable, reliable protection. At number 3, we have the Yurzom Dance Knee Pads. What sets these apart is that you get a set of 3 pairs for $19.99, making them a great value for families or those who need backups. Each pair features EVA thick cushions that provide effective shock absorption and anti-collision properties, ideal for sports like yoga, cheerleading, and pole dancing. The material combines polyester cotton with elastic fibers, ensuring breathability and comfort. These knee pads are tailored to fit snugly without sacrificing ease of movement. However, they're slightly bulkier compared to other options on this list, which might not appeal to dancers preferring minimalist designs. The non-slip feature ensures stability during rigorous activities, but the padding may not be as durable under high-impact conditions. Pros include versatile use, great value with 3 pairs, and high comfort levels. Cons are the slightly bulkier design and average durability for intense use. These are perfect for anyone looking for reliable protection across multiple sports and activities while staying on budget. At number 2, the BodyProx protective knee pads offer a fantastic blend of comfort, durability, and affordability. Priced at $15.99, these knee pads feature high-density foam that provides excellent impact resistance, reducing the risk of injury during dance, basketball, or other active sports. The breathable fabric ensures your knees stay dry and comfortable throughout extended use. What stands out is the ergonomic design, which allows for a wide range of motion without feeling bulky. The anti-slip feature ensures the knee pads stay securely in place during vigorous activities, eliminating the need for constant adjustments. However, while suitable for most sports, it might not offer enough protection for high-intensity impacts like falls during skateboarding or gymnastics. Pros include excellent grip, lightweight build, and all-day comfort. The cons are limited protection for extreme sports and slightly thinner padding compared to premium options. These knee pads are ideal for dancers and athletes seeking reliable performance at a mid-range price point. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Skating Spirit Gel Knee Pads. These premium knee pads are priced at $35.99, and they deliver unmatched comfort and protection for dancers, figure skaters, and gymnasts. The contoured gel padding stabilizes and supports the patella, while the ring padding around the kneecap reduces impact and friction during floor activities. The design is trapezium-shaped for a snug fit, while the anti-slip silicone coating prevents rolling or slipping. Despite being slim and lightweight, these knee pads provide heavy-duty protection, making them ideal for rigorous training sessions. The breathable fabric wicks away moisture, ensuring all-day comfort, although the premium price may deter casual users. Pros include superior gel padding, ergonomic design, and premium material quality. Cons are the higher cost and limited color options. These knee pads are perfect for serious dancers and athletes who demand top-tier protection and performance during their routines. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.